What?
Video.
Hi.
Where are we?
We're in math.
We have a
Algebra uno.
Yo! What's up, Tracy? Tracy! What's up, Tracy?
Abusive.
Tracy, say hi. Tracy.
Johnny, I need help on the test.
I'll say here.
Johnny,
Yo.
get low. Sorry.
Don't be jealous because you can't do it like me.
What's your name? Yura. Say hi. Okay, the video is still gonna be quiet. No, he's a little bit, he's serious.
Oh, he sits here.
Sit right there.
No.
Come on.
Muévete.
Ay, cabrón, dale.
No.
Yo.
Julian.
Yo.
Julian. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Johnny.
Come here. I'm going to pass around a sheet of paper. I want you to write your
I'll just fail.
first and last name, attendance, please.
There's a substitute right there. He's Mr. Beck, and he's like, he's really nice, but he just has this accent that kind of makes you mad.
He does?
Yeah.
That is so cool. Why you videotaping?
She's so ridiculous. Johnny, say hi.
I think I say hi like 2 times.
Johnny, I'm gonna hit you, and you're gonna move your head. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Move your head.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Ready? I'm poking. No, eat the pencil. Eat the pencil. Ready? Eat it. Elias, say hi. Elias.
I say hi.
Elias, say hi.
Is there an extra test?
Say hi.
What is ice?
Is there an extra test in there?
I think he saw it. You can pause it, right?
No. Should I stop the video?
No, just keep going.
But okay, look, this is my test. Oh, you need to give me the answers. You need to give me the answers.
Okay, look. Test.
Test.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Test.
It's very hard.
It's like the hardest test I've taken in my
Rip
whole.
this paper.
Don't rip it. I'll kill you, man. I'll kill you.
I would
Joe, let's stop the video. It's boring.
stop.
Say bye. Bye, world.